Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good evening. Welcome to our academic presentation. It is our pleasure to have you in our event. Before we begin, let me first introduce our members. First, there is me, Mutia Agniawardani, and Apriliani Citra Dewi. We will be the moderators for this presentation. Second, for the first speakers or presenters, we have Maulana Purnama Sidik, Intan Istiantika Nursipa, Neng Linda Prolina, Padilla Dewi Pak Melansia, Aisyah Tia Rahma, and Abdul Aziz. Ladies and gentlemen, on this occasion, we would like to present an interesting topic entitled anesthesia. We hope you continue to watch our presentation until the end so that we can get the knowledge from our great speakers. Alright, without further ado, let's first begin with our first speakers, Mrs. Fadila Dewi Nurmansyah. Mrs. Fadila Dewi Nurmansyah, the time is yours.
Thank you to the moderator for the warm welcome. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Fadila Nurmansyah. It is my pleasure to be give this sketch. Alright, the things that I want to share with you is about anesthesia. Here I will present the first part of the topic. Anesthesia means loss of sensation. So basically, it is drugs that cause anesthesia. Work by blocking the signals that pass along your nerves to your brain. This stops your feeling pain. So when the drugs wear off, you start to feel normal sensation again. So that is anesthesia. Okay, so that's my part. Thanks everyone for listening. I will return it to the moderator.
Okay, thank you for Motia as the first moderator. Permission to introduce myself. My name is Apriliani Citra Dewi as a second moderator in today's presentation. Okay, thank you, Mrs. Fadila Dewi Nurmansyah, for your presentation. Next, we will continue to the second speaker, Mr. Maulana Purnama Sidik. Mr. Maulana Purnama Sidik, the time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Mbak. The development of profession anesthetic is the intention was centralized and important factor in surgery. Before this time, to operation was possible when children were wounded by the ship. Jadi, October 16 is characterized as well anesthetic for the part of modern anesthetic. Because to the long term, demonstrated the rest of general with other innovation refer pelvic performance. Jadi, loss of something to the stimulus. Thanks for listening.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Maulana Purnama Sidik, for your presentation. Next, we will continue to the third speaker, Mrs. Nenglinda Prolina. Mrs. Nenglinda Prolina, the next time is yours.
Thank you to the moderator for the warm welcome. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nenglinda. It is my pleasure to be given the chance. Alright, the thing that I want to share with you is about anesthetic. Here, I will present the continue part of the topic. Some doctors used alcohol or morphine to reduce the pain, but patients were usually held or strapped down. Many did on the operating table. Anesthesia means that surgeons could take more time and perform more complex procedures. So, some doctors had used alcohol or morphine to reduce the pain of patients during surgeries, but patients were usually restrained or tied up. And many also did on the operating table, so the effect was not accorded because the effect of morphine and alcohol did not last long, so surgeons added anesthesia to patients who will be in surgery because the effect of anesthesia gives more time and the procedure is more complex. Okay, so that's my pen. Thanks everyone for listening. I will return it to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Mrs. Nenglinda Frolina, for your presentation. Next, we will continue to the fourth speaker, Mrs. Intan Istiantika Nursifa. Mrs. Intan Istiantika Nursifa, the time is yours.
Thank you to the moderator for the warm welcome. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Intan Istiantika Nursifa. It is my pleasure to be given this chance. Alright, the thing that I want to share with you is about anesthetic. Here, I will present the first part of the topic. Ether was one of earliest anesthetic, but it had some drawback. For example, it could cause vomiting. It was quickly replaced by chloroform, which was more potent and easier to use than ether. However, it was not as safe to use as ether and caused sudden death. Ether is an anesthetic which is so strong that the patient can enter any level of anesthesia. Ether can be used with a variety of anesthetic methods. When used openly, the ether vapor will drop to the bottom because it is 6 until 10 times heavier than air. So that's my part. Thanks for everyone for listening. I will return to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Mrs. Intan Istiantika Nursifa, for your presentation. Next, we will continue to the five speaker, Mr. Sofyan Abdul Aziz. Mr. Sofyan Abdul Aziz, the time is yours.
Thank you to the moderator for the warm welcome. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sofyan Abdul Aziz. It is my pleasure to be given this chance. Alright, the thing that I want to share with you is about anesthesia. Here, I will present the continuous part of the topic. By the 1920, intravenous induction agents were introduced. They enable patients to fall asleep quickly and pleasantly in the 1940. Physical relaxation became available. Okay, so that's my part. Thanks everyone for listening. I will return in to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Sofyan, for your presentation. Next, we will continue to the next speaker, Mrs. Aisyah Fauzia Rahma. Mrs. Aisyah Fauzia Rahma, the time is yours.
Okay, thank you to the moderator for the warm welcome. Hi ladies and gentlemen, my name is Aisyah Fauzia Rahma. It is my pleasure to be given this chance. Alright, The thing that I want to share with you is about local anesthesia and regional anesthesia. Here I will present to the part of the topic. Anesthesia can be given in different ways, and not all anesthesia makes you unconscious. Local anesthesia number a small part of your body. You stay conscious but free from pain. Regional anesthesia, this one can be used for operation on large or different part of the body. The most common regional anesthetic, also known as regional block, are spinal and epidural anesthetic. So I can conclude regional anesthesia is the use of local anesthetic to block sensation or pain from a large area of the body, such as an arm or leg or the abdomen. Regional anesthesia allows a procedure to be done on a region of the body without your being unconscious. Okay, so that is my part. Thanks everyone for listening. I'll return it to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Mrs. Aisa Paujia Rahma, for your presentation. Next, we will continue to the next speaker, Mrs. Salpa Melanie Hasya. Mrs. Salpa Melanie Hasya, the time is yours.
Thank to the moderator, to the warm welcome. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Salva Melanie Hasya. It is my pleasure to be given this chance. Alright. The thing that I want to share with you is about anesthesia. Here, I will present the continue part of this case for operation on the lower body, such as bladder operations or hip placements. You stay continuous but free from pain. General anesthesia is a state of control, consciousness, and you feel nothing. It is essential for some operations such as abdominal surgery. As the anesthesia drugs were of your consciousness to the rectum. Okay, so that's my part. Thanks everyone for listening. I return it to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Mrs. Salpa Melanie Hasya, for your presentation. Next, we will continue to the last speaker, Mrs. Bella Marcella. Mrs. Bella Marcella, the time is yours.
Thank you, moderator. Model monitoring system and a greater understanding of the function of the body means that anesthesia is now very safe. Fewer than 1 in 250,000. That's during operation are directly related to anesthesia. The explanation: anesthesia works by stopping or blocking nerve signals from the pain center that the patient will feel during surgery or when undergoing certain medical procedure. Anesthesia can be given in various forms, such as ointments, sprays, injection, tear gases that the patient must inhale. I will return to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Mrs. Bella Marcella, for your presentation. Then next, we will continue to the conclude presentation. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, what a wonderful presentation. After listening from you great speaker, we can conclude anesthesia means loss of sensation. Drugs that cause anesthesia work by blocking the signal that pass along your nerves to your brain. This stop you feeling pain. When the drugs wear off, you start to feel normal sensation again. By the 1920s, many suggestions were being on the operating table. Ladies and gentlemen, we are finally at the end of the presentation. We would like to once again thank you for your attention. Hopefully, you find this event beneficial. Have a nice day and goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.